First we need to put specific range. You can do this by selecting the A2. Then hold the Ctrl plus Shift key. And click the right arrow key. Followed by the down arrow key. Click twice. Now in the upper right, highlight this and change it to Del All. Then hit the Enter. After that, we will go now into the Developer tab. Then click the Visual Basic. In the User Form, open the toolbox. Drag and drop the Command button. Change the caption into Delete All. I will place it under the Delete button. You can do the same or put anywhere in the user form. Then double-click the Delete All button and put this code inside. You can follow me or just copy the code in the description below. After we put the code, go back into our spreadsheet, then run the user form. We will now test the Delete All button. Click the Delete All button. A message box appear. It will ask if we want to delete all the data. Click Yes. We got an error. Click the debug to see where the wrong code error is. Sorry for that, I put book 1 instead of sheet 1. Now, change the book 1 into sheet 1. Although there is an error in our Delete All button after we fix it, the Delete All button is still running, so all of our data is already deleted, so I will put some dummy data into our spreadsheet for our example. Now, run again the user form and click the Delete All button. And now it's working. So that's is all for this. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe.